Hear the echoes of the road, a voyage filled with dreams. With Kevin at the wheel, the world unwinds, it seems.
I can see the red tail lights, a trail that leads away, winding through the painted lanes, kissed by golden rays.
Italy is waiting with its treasures yet to find. Through the rolling Tuscan hills, beauty intertwined. Oh, Kevin travels today in his campervan so bright, chasing sunsets and horizons, hearts alive with light. Majestic mountains rise, in a timeless dance they sway. The canvas of the countryside, a gallery on display.
The sun paints shadows long across the olive groves. With every winding turn, the story gently flows.
From Florence to Siena, treasures seen and shared, holding all the memories of nights that we declared.
And in those moments stolen, the world felt so complete. Lying on my recliner, sun warm on my seat,
a cold beer in my hand, laughter fills the air.
what a fabulous place,
This journey we all share. Oh, Kevin travels today in his campervan so bright, chasing sunsets and horizons, hearts alive with light. Majestic mountains rise, in a timeless dance they sway. The canvas of the countryside, a gallery on display.
And as the Amalfi Coast unfolds beneath the glorious sky,
waves whisper secrets gently as they ebb and flow nearby.
every vista
A reminder, this life's an artful tale. With each mile that we travel, our hearts will never pale. So here's to every moment as we ride this open road. With Kevin by our side, our spirits overflowed. Together in the journey, united through the gleam, in our campervan we sail, embracing every dream.